So now let's see how we can customize toolbar inside of Snagit editor. So over here on the top, you can see that there's a specific set of tools on the toolbar. But if you want more and want to work with it, then you can simply click on more to access more tools. But if you want certain tools to be always visible, you can go to Customize Toolbar right here. So once you do that, you can see that there's a lot of icons that you can choose with. So let's say, for example, you want to keep magnifier here, simply click and drag it out. You don't want something, you simply go and click and drag that out as well. So simply go over here, there's save as right here, there's like rotate image, auto, trim, and everything else. Just drag around right over here just like that, and you can see that you can just go around and add everything out right there just like that, and everything is crowded over there as you can see. You can also add an export to Excel, Evernote, and so forth right here, even the effects as you can see right here, and so forth. So you can add in as many effects as you want over there, which you want for quick access. And if you think things are getting crowdy and you want to get back to default, then you can simply click on restore defaults right here, and then it'll get back to normal. So that is how you can customize toolbar inside of Snagit editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.